Books for traders. All traders are going to read books about trading, but beyond trading, you need other skills to be a successful trader. So, one of the books which I'm going to recommend is a very good book, and I highly recommend every trader should learn this, read this, and it's Jonathan Livingston Seagull. It's a story, very simple story about a bird who learns to fly higher, and it's the same obstacle and same challenge which the bird faces or trader faces. Trading journey is no different than Jonathan Livingston Seagull's journey to become the fastest and bird in the world. Same thing you need to learn, and the approach which he takes, the kind of philosophical underlining message which is about learning, not giving up, failure, and then bouncing back from failure and continuously keeping at it till you make it is the central message of this book, Jonathan Livingston Seagull. And as a trader, if you read it, it's a highly motivating story, and you will see a lot of similarities to the struggle which you are undergoing. And also, for those of you who are successful traders, you will see a lot of you in Jonathan Livingston Seagull. So, highly recommended Jonathan Livingston Seagull by Richard Bach.